start new lecture. Antimicrobial therapy. I'll tell you about the penicillins. Penicillins were invented in 1928 by John Fleming. And what is antimicrobial? Chemical that kills or inhibits the growth of microorganisms. What is antibiotic? Means which is against life. Chemical produced by microorganism that kills or inhibits the growth of another microorganism. Classification. They are antibiotics which affect the cell wall. These are called beta-lactam antibiotics and other antibiotics. Beta-lactam antibiotics include penicillin, cephalosporins, carbapenems, and monobactams. Other antibiotics include vancomycin and bezitracin.
What is preventive medicine?
Other antibiotics include discovery. Hello. 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 Hello.
What is community medicine and what is community medicine?
Discovery was in 1928, isolation was in 1932, the structure was shown in 1945, total synthesis was 1959 by John Fleming. Here you are seeing in picture. Beta-lactam antibiotics are products of two types of fungi, Penicillium and Cephalosporinium. Penicillins are beta-lactam trunks because of unique four-membered ring. A thiazolidine ring is attached to a beta-lactam ring. Also carries a secondary amino group. Penicillin has side chain effects, antimicrobial spectrum, stability to stomach acid, susceptibility to beta-lactam. Because penicillin injection is destroyed in the acid of stomach, so those penicillin which are taken orally cannot be destroyed by acid. Only the injectable form can be destroyed into the. So whatever the side chain may be, the other synthetic oral penicillins can be taken orally. Beta-lactam ring can be enzymatically cleaved by bacterial beta-lactamase. So we give beta-lactam antibiotics, beta-lactam inhibitor drugs. These are the penicillins combined with beta-lactam clavulanic acid. The resulting product is penicillinoic acid lacks antibacterial activity. Penicillins are classified into synthetic penicillin, non-synthetic, semi-synthetic, penicillin G, penicillin V, methicillin, neficillin, oxacillin, cloxacillin, dicloxacin, carbenicillin, ampicillin, amoxicillin, tecarcillin, piperacillin, mesalocillin, and azolocillin. Bacterial cell wall is a rigid outer layer that not found in animal cells. It completely surrounds the cytoplasmic membrane, preventing cell lysis from high osmotic pressure, maintains the shape of the cell. The cell wall is composed of a complex cross-linked polymer of polysaccharide and polypeptides called peptidoglycan. The polysaccharide contains alternate amino sugars and acetyl glucosamine and N-acetyl muramic acid. These are present in peptidoglycan. 5 amino acid peptide is linked to N-acetyl muramic acid. This peptide terminates in D-alanine and D-alanine. Penicillin binding protein and enzyme removes the terminal alanine, which form a cross link with a nearby peptide and gives cell wall rigidity. Mechanism of action of penicillins. The only effective against rapidly growing organism that synthesize peptidoglycan cell wall. Penicillin, like all beta-lactam, inhibits bacterial growth by interfering with transpeptidation, cross-linkage reaction of bacterial cell wall synthesis. Mechanism of penicillin. Beta-lactam antibiotics structure analogs of natural D-alanine and D-alanine substrate covalently bind to active site of penicillin binding protein. This inhibits the transpeptidation reaction, halting peptidoglycan synthesis, and the cell dies. Mechanism of penicillin. Inactivation of penicillin binding proteins. Penicillin binding proteins present on the bacterial cell membrane involved in synthesis of cell wall. Inhibition of transpeptidase. Penicillin inhibits transpeptidase, thus hindering the formation of cross-links essential for cell wall integrity. Production of autolysins. Mainly bacteria gram-positive cocci produce degenerative enzyme autolysins that participate in the normal in the presence of penicillin, absence of cell wall synthesis, degradation action of autolysins proceeds. Sometimes resistance develops due to bacteria inactivate the enzyme beta-lactam antibiotics. Resistance to beta-lactam is due to inactivation by beta-lactamase, modification of target penicillin binding protein, impaired penetration of drug to target of penicillin binding protein, reasons of an efflux pump. Antibiotic spectrum of penicillin. 3 classes of penicillin based upon their ability to kill various types of bacteria. Natural penicillin. Penicillin resistance to staphylococcal beta-lactamase, extended spectrum penicillins. Natural penicillins are the penicillin G, penicillin V, procaine penicillin, and benzathine penicillin. Obtained from fermentation of mold penicillium, they are inactivated by many beta-lactamase. Effective against gram-positive organisms, gram-negative cocci, and non-beta-lactamase producing anaerobes. They have little activity against gram-negative rods, anti-staphylococcal. Oxacillin, claxacillin, dicloxacillin, methicillin, and neficillin. More narrow spectrum of activity than natural penicillin. Antimicrobial efficacy is directly against the penicillinase producing strains of staphylococci and streptococci. They are inactive against enterococci, anaerobic bacteria, and gram-negative cocci and rods. All are acid stable, used 1 hour before meal. Extended means this activity is extended These are the aminopenicillin, ampicillin, amoxicillin, and ampicillin. Similar to penicillin G, but more active against gram-negative bacteria. But more active against gram-negative bacteria, E. coli and H. influenza. Aminopenicillin are acid resistant, so administered orally. They are inactivated by many beta-lactamases. Amoxicillin and ampicillin are used primarily to treat the mild infections such as otitis media, infection of the ear, sinusitis, inflammation of sinuses, bronchitis, urinary tract infection, and bacterial diarrhea. Carboxypenicillin, uridomate, carbenicillin, ticagrelin. Uridopenicillin includes piperacillin, azulosilin, mesosilin. Similar spectrum of activity as the aminopenicillin, but with additional activity against Pseudomonas. Uridopenicillins are also active against selective gram-negative bacilli, Klebsiella pneumonia. They are susceptible to inactivation by beta-lactamase. Sulbactam, clavulanic acid, these are the beta-lactamase inhibitors. Ampicillin with sulbactam, ticagrelin with clavulanic acid, piperacillin with tazobactam. These are in combination with beta-lactamase inhibitors. Administration: penicillin B and amoxicillin combined with clavulanic acid are only available as oral preparation. Ampicillin, methicillin, ticagrelin, carbenicillin, mesosilin, azulosilin, piperacillin used IV and intravascularly. Procaine penicillin G and benzathine penicillin G used IM serve as depot forms and absorb slowly into circulation over a long period. Absorption: most of the penicillin are incompletely absorbed orally and reach the intestine in sufficient amount, affect the composition of intestinal flora. Absorption of penicillin G and penicillin is decreased by food. If gastric emptying time is reduced, drugs are destroyed in the acidic environment. Metabolism insufficient. Distribution throughout the body is good. All penicillin cross the placental layer. None is teratogenic. Penetration into bone or cerebrospinal fluid is insufficient unless these sites are inflamed. Excretion: the primary route of excretion is through tubular secretion, glomerular filtration. Probenecid inhibits secretion of penicillin. Is that the idea? Ampicillin is primarily eliminated through biliary tract. एक और रिकॉर्ड कर
बस
हाँ
खत्म थी गया
खत्म हो गया
पूरा करो
हाँ पूरा कर लो।
और पूरा थी गया